Welcome to LSSC's Blackboard 9.1 with Collaborate training course. This course will prepare you to teach tech-enhanced, hybrid, and fully online courses here at Lake Sumter State College. This course uses an electronic, open-source textbook available at lsscblackboardtraining.weebly.com. This textbook is written and maintained by award-winning instructional designers and customized to LSSC's training needs. You will find all tutorials, assignment descriptions, case studies, and discussion questions in your textbook. Each chapter starts with an introduction, list of objectives, and links to individual sections. The first few sections of each chapter have tutorials showing you how to perform specific tasks in Blackboard, or explaining specific ideas related to online instructional strategies at LSSC. The last few sections contain activities, discussions, and case studies for you to complete. Each chapter has a checklist that lists all tasks that you must complete within the chapter.
The Blackboard training course is broken into two levels of training. Level 1 covers the very basics of course management in the Blackboard Learn 9.1 environment. You will learn how to grade assignments, discussions, and assessments, communicate with your students in Blackboard, and host a live lecture in Blackboard Collaborate. This training level prepares you to teach a course built by your instructional design team or another instructor. Level 2 teaches you how to build a course from scratch in Blackboard. You will learn the basics of predictable design methodology and explore the basics of the Quality Matters standards for online hybrid course design. This training level gives you full rights to build your own course in Blackboard. You do not have to progress through both levels of the training. You and your department chair should decide the best level of training for your needs.
Expect to spend at least 3 hours per week completing work in this training course. Besides the textbook, you also have a training template that you will see in your course list, labeled with the word training and your name. This is where you will complete the majority of your course activities. Then you will report your completion of the activities back in your Blackboard faculty training course so that your mentors know you are ready for them to grade your work. The training course is broken into weekly modules. Each weekly module covers specific chapters in the textbook, just like in a real course. Each week starts with an overview video and a list of objectives, followed by an assignments list that tells you everything you must complete in that week. Discussions and assignments are then chunked into folders, and the week ends with a summary and next steps item. Follow each week's assignments list, and you will be able to easily and successfully complete this training course. You will find your weekly modules under the course content section of your course menu.
Your course menu contains other important information as well. Under Course Documents, you will find resources for building courses in Blackboard, as well as other supplementary materials. In the Syllabus and Policy section of the course, you will find the syllabus, course calendar, and other important information. Your course menu also contains a direct link to your textbook, though we have also linked to the parts of the textbook you need each week in your weekly assignment lists. If you ever find yourself confused or simply need an example of how something should look, visit the course labeled training_example_HUM1230 in your Blackboard course list. This example course represents some of our best instructional designs. It is Quality Matters recognized and a 2014 Blackboard Catalyst Exemplary Course Award winner, so it is a pretty good example of what to do.
While this course is designed by LSSC's instructional design team, it is taught by your faculty mentors. Your mentors are your first line of contact for this course. Use the Blackboard messaging tool to contact your mentors. You can learn more about them in the instructor info section of your course menu. Your mentors welcome all of your questions, but ask that you please ask them on the Q&A discussion board so all trainees can benefit from the answers. Besides your mentors, you also have other resources for help. The help link on your course menu leads to Blackboard's full instructions on using tools within the learning environment from the student point of view. To search for instructions, enter the topic with which you need help and click Enter. On the left of the screen is the table of contents for the entire student manual for Blackboard.
The instructor help link is equally useful, but from the instructor point of view. You can search it the same way as the student help, and the full table of contents on the left is for the instructor manual for Blackboard. So, now that you have an idea how the course works, what should you do now? Finish the Getting Started orientation, of course. Then, move on to completing your Week 1 assignments. Good luck with the course. We look forward to working with you.